How many parts can one silicone mold produce in vacuum casting? A major risk in low-volume manufacturing is overestimating tooling longevity, which leads to dimensionally inaccurate parts and compromised surface finishes. On average, a silicone mold can produce between 15 and 25 high-quality polyurethane parts before degradation occurs. The exact silicone mold lifespan depends heavily on part geometry, the specific polyurethane casting resin used, and curing conditions. Understanding silicone mold lifespan in low-volume manufacturing. Silicone tooling is a cost-effective solution for rapid prototyping and low-volume production. However, repeated casting cycles expose the mold to heat and chemical stress, gradually reducing its elasticity and causing surface tearing, finish degradation, and dimensional changes. Monitoring mold wear is essential for maintaining consistent part quality throughout production. 2. Core factors influencing vacuum casting mold life. Silicone tool longevity depends on geometry, resin chemistry, and surface finish requirements. Geometry and stress, deep undercuts, sharp corners, and complex features force excessive silicone stretching during demolding, accelerating fatigue and micro-tearing. Resin chemistry and exotherm. High curing temperatures and chemically aggressive resins embrittle the silicone, reducing its elasticity over time. Surface quality. High gloss and fine textured finishes degrade first. A mold may remain structurally functional for 20+ cycles while losing its surface polish much earlier. 3. Silicone tooling versus injection molding. A production comparison. For low-volume production, the best option depends on quantity, tooling cost, lead time, and tool lifespan. Silicone tooling is ideal for batches of 10 to 100 parts, offering low tooling costs and fast turnaround. For higher volumes, injection molding becomes more cost-effective and suitable for long-term production. Choosing the right process helps balance cost, speed, and production requirements. When a project requires 50 identical polyurethane parts, a professional vacuum casting service will simply create 2 or 3 duplicate silicone molds from the same master pattern to meet the required project quantity simultaneously, preserving tight lead times. 4. Impact of polyurethane casting resins on tooling lifespan. Polyurethane, PU. Casting supports a wide array of resins simulating ABS, PC, PP, and elastomers. However, resin selection directly governs silicone mold longevity. Standard ABS or PP-like resins feature a moderate exothermic cure and low chemical aggression, maximizing mold lifespan to 20 to 25 cycles. Optically clear, PC-like, and high-heat resins, highly aggressive chemically and sensitive to microscopic wear. They accelerate mold degradation, causing surface clouding that shortens tool life to 10 to 15 cycles. Maximizing silicone mold durability through engineering support. Tooling longevity is not entirely unchangeable. Upfront DFM, designed for manufacturability, and expert engineering guidance can substantially extend mold life and reduce total project costs. Draft angle optimization. Adding appropriate draft angles minimizes demolding force, preventing silicone tearing around deep features. Strategic parting lines. Optimizing parting line placement avoids unnecessary stretch during part extraction, reducing localized tool wear. Strict curing control. Adhering strictly to precise cure temperatures and schedules ensures the silicone achieves maximum tensile and tear strength before the first casting cycle. Conclusion. Silicone mold life averages 15 to 25 parts, governed by part geometry, resin selection, and surface finish targets. Applying DFM principles maximizes tool durability and part quality, while multi-mold casting or rapid injection molding enables seamless scaling for higher volumes. At KAIAO Rapid Manufacturing, we optimize materials and DFM to ensure production quality results from initial prototype through low-volume production. Contact KAIAO today for a technical consultation, DFM review, or instant quote.